Welcome to Ultimatoken, the revolutionary crypto project that could permanently change your financial future. Ultimatoken is not just another crypto project. It's a way to diversify your wealth and profit from a unique opportunity. Because due to its ingenious smart contract, Ultimatoken has the potential to crack the $1 million mark per token, making it the most valuable token in history. And we'd like to show you how that works in this video. The principle is quite simple and is strongly based on supply and demand, and as we all know, huge demand also drives the price of a good up tremendously. What happens when the supply is also very limited, you can probably already imagine. This is exactly the case with the Ultimatoken. Because unlike central banks, which diligently reprint money when there is a shortage, the Ultimatoken remains technically limited in its maximum number due to its decentralized and immutable structure on the blockchain. So how many tokens will there be? You'll be surprised. Only 100,000 Ultimatokens will ever exist. In comparison, Bitcoin's maximum number is 21 million. And as with Bitcoin, the Ultimatokens are not all issued immediately, but at regular intervals and in limited quantities. Moreover, the number of issued tokens is constantly halved, which additionally prevents the market from being flooded with tokens. In the case of Ultima, the liquidity pool takes care of this distribution. To get Ultima tokens, you can purchase an Ultima Split package with a license that authorizes you to secure your share of the liquidity pool. The smart contract, which is the code over which all technical processes have been programmed in an unchangeable way, starts with 50 tokens, which are distributed across all license holders per day. So the earlier you own one or more licenses, the more tokens you can accumulate, because at the beginning of the project, even less people will have a license than later. But the Ultima Split packages have an additional purpose, because 50% of the purchase price is put into the liquidity pool. This is to ensure that there are enough resources to provide the most important thing for the token, namely liquidity. You now have the chance to participate in our project. Secure your share of this rare token and change your financial future. If you want to know now in more detail what earning opportunities are waiting for you in this exciting project, request the second video from the person who told you about Ultima. It's worth it.